What are you doing, Danielle?
I'm trying to get all the air out.
I'm telling you, they've got the best employees here. We're at the Caldwell County Habitat Restore. Their hours of operation are Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 9 to 4, and I'll list their address in the description box below. And to open that description box, click on the title of this video. You may have to click on the word more to open it further. This is a brand new leather Bernhardt sectional. It was sold out online for $75.50, but you could get it here for $12.50. And another great deal from Bernhardt, $3.50 here for this cream power motion recliner, or online for $39.99. Okay, it's a no at my house. My cat would work all day trying to groom these, but I think these pillows are so fabulous. They've got them here for $20 each. Another new sofa, $4.25 here, or sold out online for $16.98. Oh, this is so soft. And I want to show you, it's got the metal accents on it. And they've paired it with this lamp for $12. And yes, I like that shade. And another brand new piece of furniture. This end table is $150, or one similar is listed online for $1,328. No, don't do that. Shop this Restore. And I found a fantastic coffee table book here, $3. I loved Princess Diana. We gotta take a look. I love she always had her boys with her. Oh, and there she was running the race at their school. I wonder if the lady was like, oh, I can't pass her. I think she always had the most beautiful smile, and look at those eyes. Do y'all remember watching her royal wedding? Oh my gosh, I remember that like it was yesterday. I like the lime green color on this chair. They've got it here for $70. This leather chair gives me more of a retro vibe. It's got casters on the front, $40. And I want y'all to be keeping a list of your favorite finds. You know I'm going to share some of mine at the end of the video. I thought this photo album was so pretty, $2. And what a great throwback this is. My dad taught us how to play different card games growing up, and I have some of the best memories of sitting at the dining room table with different family members around playing cards. You could get this set for $2. Definitely gives me a 60s or a 70s vibe. Here's a cross-stitch piece for $3. And I found this mirrored shelf, and it's got a really ornate frame on it for $25. And what a great deal this print is for only $10. And the painting is called The Song of the Homeland. It was originally painted by Swiss artist Albert Anker in 1874. Here's a round table with a white base for $45. And I think this could quite possibly be the most comfortable sectional ever for $350. And for $40 each, they've got 2 of these mauve chairs. Oh, and y'all know how much I love the bed. So this is a queen bed. It's got the headboard, footboard with the rails for $100. I think that is so fancy. It does have a few nicks and scratches on it, but a little bit of furniture wax. It's going to be good as new. And this bed comes with a headboard, footboard, no rails. It's a full size for $40. Definitely vintage, possibly antique. And do y'all know what this is? For $2, it's a vintage chamber pot, not to be confused with a soup tureen. And I found these curtain balances for $2. And for $50 here, or over $200 at Walmart, this is an Emerald Lagasse air fryer. These KitchenAid stand mixers are listed $2.99 and up online, but you could get this one here for $85. $8 here, or $45 sold out on Etsy. This is a multi-tiered aluminum steamer pot. And I love the purple on this rug. They've got it here for $5. This is a great campfire skillet for $28, or I found one sold out online for $80. And I think these would be perfect if you're baking large quantities. These are brand new silicone loaf pans, $3 each, and you get 4 loaves to a pan. So I hope y'all are enjoying my videos. Please just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, spread the word so our channel can keep growing. These lanterns come with the flameless candles. They told me they're going to price the larger one for $10 and the smaller one for $8. And I found another great vintage piece. It's possibly an antique. Look at the details on it. This is a console with sliding doors for $75. And you know I love the baskets here. This larger one's $4. And let's see, this one's $2. Oh, I like this one for $5. And we got to take a quick trip through their fabric. $4 for this roll. Again, you can't cut it. You have to buy the entire roll. But these are high-end pieces from the local furniture factories. Oh, look at that, $4. I think the reverse side's just as pretty as the front. I'm telling you, if you're working on a small project, definitely shop this restore for your fabric. This one's $7. And isn't this a true statement? It says, "Lord, keep your arm around my shoulder and your hand over my mouth." Oh, I think we've all had days like that. This sunflower and ladybug wall plaque's another one of my favorite finds. They've got it here for $3. And here's a 5-piece salad bowl set for $6. And this is Queen's Fine Bone China, $1 a plate here, or $13.99 each online. And it says oranges, fruits of the sun. This office chair is definitely another favorite find. I love, love, love that gingham check. I didn't see a price, but again, you know it won't be much at this restore. And look at this, it gets even better. Look at the back of this chair. Oh my gosh, isn't that the cutest thing? I love the detail on this chest of drawers. I saw where one was similar online for over $6,000. No, 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 don't do that. Shop this restore. They didn't have it priced yet, but you know it's not going to be $6,000 here. This cup rack would be perfect on a coffee bar, $8. Oh, I like these with the apples for 50 cents. Here's another brand new chair, $150 here or $4,000 online. It does have a little chip in the wood, but I don't think it's going to cost $3,850 to fix it. And another brand new piece, $250 for this table here, or one sold out similar online for $1,500. I think this one's fancier than the one I saw online. And I know she's got a little bit of rust on her, but what a fantastic find. They're going to price this table for less than $20, and I found one similar online for $259. And I think this is so true for a wedding. It says, pick a seat, not a side. We're all family once the knot is tied. Here's a vintage picture for $12. No, I love the detail in that, just the kind of moody vibe of it. And here's a coffee table for $30. Oh, I like the carving on the front. And I just want to give y'all a little update on Mom. I want to thank y'all so much for sending her get well comments and happy birthday wishes. She's feeling some better, so thank you so much. So I want y'all to let me know below what were some of your favorite finds. I'm going to share some of mine. This silver and cream Bernhardt sofa definitely made my list. And I had to include this little box of playing cards. It was just such a great throwback for me. And I'm sure y'all guessed it, I love, love, love this ornate bed. And I think this sunflower and ladybug plaque would be so pretty on a garden fence. But I think my overall favorite today was this gingham check office chair. I just love, love, love everything about it. To me, it looks practically brand new. And I love that it's got the bows on the back. Here's another photo album I found that says good times, and that's what we have here on my channel. And again, I want to thank y'all so much for your sweet birthday and get well wishes for Mom. You definitely brightened her day, and I hope y'all have a beautiful day yourselves out there today. Thank you so much for coming with me, and until next time, come go with me today. Bye.